Have you struggled to poach an egg perfectly, like this one, with a beautiful shape and the perfectly runny yolk and super silky? If your answer is yes, then stick around. After 100 hours of research and watching more than 30 videos on how to poach an egg perfectly, I found these 6 secrets from the best chefs. All these secrets from the celebrity chefs on YouTube will help you to make the perfect egg every time you try it at home. I see people cooking egg in a clean field, or with an unpleasant shape, or using the wrong pot, or adding salt to the water. It was so bad. But you don't have to do any of that anymore, because what I'm going to promise you after watching this video, it will help you to learn how to have the perfect shape and texture all the time when you poach an egg at home. Also, what tools you need for the best results and the right cooking time for the perfect egg. But this is not everything, because I have a bonus tip for you from my experience, which no one talks about, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video. Hi, I'm Chef Claudio, and today I have put together this video with the secrets I have collected from the top chefs and the right tools you need, so you don't have to spend as much time researching for the best results. Everything is going to be so simple for you right now. So let's get right into it. Secret number 1, revealed by Downshiftology channel. Choose the right pot for the perfect shape.
When it comes to the depth of water, I'd recommend a pot with at least 3 to 4 inches of water. If you use a shallow sauté pan with only an inch or 2, you'll end up with a flatter poached egg that may have more of a fried egg shape. So heat the pot of water on high and bring it to a boil.
So I have decided to look up on Amazon and to share the similar sauce pot for those who does not have this pot at home. Secret 2, revealed by Jamie Oliver, and is about the quality of the egg.
The only way to poach the perfect egg is if you have really, really fresh eggs. End of story. Don't go to the front, go to the back and get your eggs. Even if you have to knock them all over, go to the back because they're going to be the freshest ones.
To check out the quality of the egg, I found this extra bonus for you to watch.
Fresh eggs are going to have tighter whites and keep more of that spherical shape that we're going for. Eggs that have been sitting in your fridge for a week or more, like this one, are going to have more of that looser, liquidy white, and that's what causes all of those white wispies. But as I know, running to the market before breakfast may not be feasible for most. Here's what you can do to ensure poached egg success.
Just to show you what a fresh egg should do, and these are all fresh, fill up a bowl with some cold water and add the eggs in there. If they sink to the bottom, they are absolutely fresh. If they float to the top, I might not be using those.
Secret number 3, revealed by Jamie Oliver. Cook the egg in a simmering water.
Bring your water to the boil. That means that there's bubbles. Take it off so they subside. Look at the water. There's no bubbles here, guys. It's just poaching. Poaching is not boiling. Boiling will smash the eggs all around.
Secret number 4, revealed by Tom Carried. Crack the egg into the cup.
You crack the egg into the cup and then you drop the egg.
Secret number 5, revealed by Downshiftology channel. Vinegar in water.
It's true that vinegar does help to coagulate and keep the egg white all together. Add a tablespoon of vinegar to the water, then stir it and create a vortex. And yes, the vortex definitely works, and I recommend it if you're making just 1 or 2 eggs. So once you've got a nice fast vortex, drop your egg right into the middle. And look at that lovely poached egg shape.
Secret number 6, revealed by Downshiftology channel. The right cooking time.
Set your timer for 3 minutes for a firm white and liquid yolk. If you'd like your yolk a bit firmer, just add another 30 seconds.
Use the female spoon to take out the egg and dry it out on the paper towel. This egg can be served right away or put in ice water to stop the egg cooking, and this can be served later by reheating it in a warm water. There are few more tips I have discovered from my experience which no one talks about. But before to get right into it, if you find this video valuable, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel to get notified with the upcoming videos like this one. So in order to get the perfect shape, I have used this technique that I have discovered in a professional kitchen. By using the female spoon when the egg is cooked, and trim the white egg by gently pushing with my palm over the end of the spoon until it becomes into the perfect shape. And then if you want to cook more than 2 eggs, these tips can help you too.
Now slip the eggs into the water clockwise like this. That's so you know which ones are done first.
Now that you know all the tips and secrets for the perfect poaching egg, all you have to do is to start practicing. But before that, make sure you check out the best top tips for the poaching egg on toast you must know.